Step 4 is more focused on the work environment, on making sure that trainees can take what they learn in training and use it on the job. There are a number of ways that we can do this, and we will learn more about these strategies later in the semester. I have two here on the slide, two of the most effective strategies that we can use. Number one is to make sure that managers and top leaders and even colleagues support learning, support transfer of training, and support training and development in general. If you've ever had a supervisor who grumbles or complains when the annual training or the quarterly trainings are instituted, then you know what it is like to work for an organization that does not support, that does not value learning. One of the other things that trainers can do is at the end of a training session, teach trainees what we call self-management strategies. And these are techniques that the trainers can use to help them remember training content and practice training content long after the learning event has ended. These self-management techniques are especially useful for employees who work in a culture that does not support learning. If you work for an organization that doesn't invest in training and development, then it's really up to you to learn new knowledge and new skills. Self-management techniques can help you do that.